My video is about removing the ransomware called Hole. The video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover your files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this whole ransomware may infect your computer. So it changes the desktop background and it also appends this whole extension to the file names, so it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery, so do not waste your money. Do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program, and my recommendation is that you use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and start investigating your computer. So this is the way the software looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider premium license. You can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Also, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their locations on the computer. I recommend that you choose premium license, and this way your data would always be under the protection against ransomware attacks in the future. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, as I said, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information about this type of computer infections and about some possible ways on how to possibly recover at least some of your files that have been damaged and encrypted by this ransomware.